In this video, we're looking at a stock presentation from Jeff Siegel. In the presentation, Jeff claims that he found a new class of medicine and that investing in it will make you a lot of money. He goes over 3 stocks that he wants you to invest in, which he calls EN-23 stocks, and he believes these stocks can get you over 100% returns. But as usual, Jeff wants you to pay him $300 just to tell you the names of these stocks. But I have good news. Jeff accidentally left too many clues in his presentation, and I was able to figure out the names of all 3 stocks. I'll reveal all 3 stocks for free in this video, so make sure you watch until the end. Let's get started. First, I want to break down the teaser and explain what Jeff is talking about. Jeff claims a new class of medicine is turning traditional medicine on its head, especially when it comes to treating depression, anxiety, PTSD, and addiction. Traditional medicines only succeed 30% of the time with these issues. But a new type of medicine could potentially treat a wide range of diseases with 60 to 100% effectiveness after just 1 dose. Big names like Kevin O'Leary from Shark Tank, businessman Peter Thiel, and OpenAI CEO Sam Altman are all investing in these EN-23 medicines. According to Jeff, even Elon Musk has stated that EN-23 might be superior to commonly used drugs like SSRIs for treating depression. So what exactly is EN-23 medicine? When Jeff talks about it, he's referring to psychedelics. Psychedelic medicine uses substances such as psilocybin, MDMA, and LSD for therapeutic purposes to help with mental health issues like depression, PTSD, and anxiety. These substances can change perception, mood, and cognitive processes. In recent years, psychedelic medicine has gained acceptance in mainstream circles for several reasons. Scientific research, especially studies from reputable institutions, has shown how effective and safe psychedelics can be in controlled therapeutic settings. This evidence has helped legitimize their medical use. Legal changes in some places have also decriminalized or legalized certain psychedelics for medical use, which has made it easier for researchers and doctors to explore their potential benefits. Furthermore, increased public awareness, driven by media coverage and advocacy from influential figures, has shifted public opinion and highlighted the advantages of psychedelics, further integrating them into mainstream medicine. Jeff's first stock pick is Mindmed, trading under the ticker MNMD on NASDAQ. Mindmed is a company working on new treatments for brain health disorders. It has a market cap of about $659 million, which has grown a lot over the past year. Mindmed's main focus is on its lead drug, MM120, for treating generalized anxiety disorder. They recently shared positive results from a Phase 2b study at the American Psychiatric Association meeting, boosting investor confidence. Analysts rate the stock as a strong buy, with a 12-month price target averaging $23, potentially rising to $36. This suggests a possible increase of over 167% from its current price of about $8.80. Financially, Mindmed had $252 million in cash as of March 31, 2024, enough to support operations until 2026. They have increased their R&D efforts, though spending on R&D slightly decreased in early 2024 compared to the previous year. General expenses rose due to higher stock-based compensation and personnel costs. Despite positive developments, the company faces challenges, reporting a net loss of $54 million for the first quarter of 2024, up from $24.8 million the previous year. The stock is volatile with a beta of 2.72, indicating high market risk. Overall, Mindmed is well positioned for growth but carries significant financial risks. The second stock is Atai Life Sciences, another clinical stage biopharmaceutical company developing treatments for mental health disorders like depression, anxiety, and addiction. Their pipeline includes several promising drugs, such as PCN-101, R-ketamine, in Phase 3 trials, and others in Phase 2A and 2B studies. ATAI has a market cap of about $281 million and strong liquidity, with a current ratio of 7.83. However, the company has faced significant losses, with a return on equity of -43% and a return on assets of -36%. Analysts are optimistic about ATI's future, giving it a strong buy rating. The average 12-month price target is $12, with estimates ranging from $6 to $15, indicating a significant potential increase from the current price of about $1.68. This optimism is due to positive clinical trial results and strategic investments, such as their stake in Compass Pathways, which has shown positive results in treating resistant depression. Atai reported revenues of $255,000 for the first quarter of 2024, a decrease from the previous year, with a net loss reflecting high R&D costs. Despite this, the company's strong cash reserves and focus on innovative treatments provide a foundation for potential growth. Atai is a high-risk, high-reward investment. The last stock Jeff recommends is Cybin, trading under the ticker CYBN. Cybin is developing psychedelic-based therapies for mental health disorders. Cybin has a market cap of about $142 million and strong liquidity, with a current ratio of 5.76 and $28 million in cash. Despite this, Cybin reported a net loss of around $53 million last year, with significant negative returns on equity and assets due to high R&D costs. Analysts are bullish on Cybin, with a strong buy rating from 5 analysts and a 12-month average price target of $4, implying a potential increase of over 1,000% from the current price of about 35 cents. This optimism is due to their promising pipeline and positive clinical trial results. However, potential investors should be aware of the high risks and financial volatility associated with early-stage biotech companies like Cybin. Now, if you found this video valuable and you want to diversify your investments beyond traditional stocks and bonds, I have just the thing for you. Even though I believe that investing in a low-cost index fund is the best long-term investment for the average Joe, the benefits of solid physical gold are hard to deny. I think of physical gold as insurance against unpredictable times, and I'm not the only one. In 2023, central banks added over 1,000 tons of gold to their reserves, the second highest annual purchase in American history. And in 2024, central bank got another 290 tons of gold in just the first 3 months of the year. If the biggest banks in the world are buying tons of gold, I'm sure there's a good reason for it. I found a company that allows ordinary Americans to own and securely store physical bars of gold as part of their IRA account. The best part is that they're giving away a free guide to teach you all about investing in solid physical gold. If you want to learn more about how gold can protect your retirement savings, just click the link in the description to receive a completely free gold IRA guide.